Once upon a time, in a quiet alley of a big city, there lived a poor little kitten named Miu. She had no family, no home, just dreams. Big dreams. Every night she would lie under the open sky, looking at the stars and imagining a life full of wonders. She dreamed of tasty meals, a cozy home, and most of all, a shiny motorcycle that zoomed like lightning. One sunny morning, while walking through the street, Miu saw the motorcycle of her dreams parked outside a shop. Shiny, powerful. "I wish this was mine," she whispered with a sigh. Suddenly, the wind blew softly, and a gentle voice echoed, "It can be yours, if you never give up." Her eyes lit up. That was all she needed to hear. Miu got to work the very next day. She started a tiny snack stall on the corner, selling lemonade, cookies, and little treats. She worked under the hot sun and even in the rain. Sometimes she barely made a few coins, but she smiled through it all. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. People started noticing her. Some helped, some just watched. But Miu never gave up. She kept saving every little coin in a jar. And then, one special day, the town gathered in the square. And there she was, riding her very own shiny red motorcycle. The crowd clapped, children cheered, and Miu, she just smiled with joy in her eyes. She was small, she was poor, she was once weak, but she never stopped dreaming, because when your heart is big, no dream is too small.